Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, your go-to channel for everything innovative, unique, and exciting on three wheels and beyond. If you're passionate about compact travel, futuristic design, and smart mobility, then today's video is going to blow your mind. Because we're diving deep into one of the coolest and most creative travel vehicles you'll ever see, the Mini RV Camper Tricycle. Imagine hitting the open road, exploring beautiful landscapes, or heading out on a weekend adventure, all with a vehicle that's small enough to park anywhere, efficient enough to save fuel, and comfortable enough to live in. That's exactly what the Mini RV Camper Tricycle brings to the table. It's more than just a trike, it's a compact home on wheels designed for freedom-loving explorers and urban travelers alike. Let's start with the design. The Mini RV Camper Tricycle is built for portability and style. Its sleek, aerodynamic shape doesn't just look futuristic, it's designed to reduce drag and improve performance. The trike is slightly wider and longer than a regular cargo tricycle, giving it a stable base while still being compact enough to weave through narrow roads or park in tight spaces. Most models feature lightweight yet durable materials like aluminum alloy or reinforced fiberglass, ensuring a balance between strength and agility. The driving experience is another major highlight. The Mini RV Camper Tricycle usually comes with either a small electric motor or a fuel-efficient engine, delivering enough power for smooth city cruising or moderate highway travel. Its ergonomic handlebar setup, responsive steering, and enhanced suspension make it surprisingly comfortable even on longer rides. And with a top speed of around 35 to 45 km per hour, it's perfect for exploring towns, countryside roads, or coastal paths without guzzling fuel. But what really sets this tricycle apart is what's inside. Step into the cabin and you'll be amazed at how much functionality is packed into such a small space. The Mini RV setup typically includes a cozy sleeping area for one or two people, foldable seating, a small table, and even a basic kitchenette with a sink and storage. Some premium versions come with solar panels on the roof to power LED lights, charge devices, or run small appliances, making off-grid adventures easier than ever. Every inch of the interior is designed with smart use of space in mind. Hidden compartments, fold-away furniture, and modular designs mean you can customize the space depending on your journey. Need a place to work remotely? Convert the bed into a mini office. Planning a night under the stars? Set up the seating for two and open up the panoramic window for a breathtaking view. The versatility of the Mini RV Camper Tricycle is unmatched. It's perfect for weekend getaways, minimalist living, or even as a tiny mobile office for digital nomads. And because it's so compact and easy to handle, you don't need a large parking space, special license, or huge budget to own and operate one. Eco-friendliness is another strong advantage. Many models are fully electric, offering zero emissions and very low running costs. With ranges between 50 to 100 kilometers per charge, they're ideal for short road trips or local exploration. And if you add a small solar panel setup, you can extend your range and reduce your dependence on charging stations. And let's not forget the lifestyle factor. Owning a Mini RV Camper Tricycle isn't just about transportation, it's about freedom. It's about waking up wherever you want, exploring hidden gems, or living simply without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're a solo traveler, a weekend adventurer, or someone looking to downsize and embrace a minimalist lifestyle, this trike is a fun and futuristic solution. The future of travel is smaller, smarter, and more sustainable, and the Mini RV Camper Tricycle is proof of that. It's the perfect mix of mobility, comfort, and adventure, packed into a design that's both practical and eye-catching. So, what do you think about this mini home on three wheels? Would you take one out for a road trip or even live in it full-time? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed exploring this tiny yet mighty RV with us, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Buzz TV, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates on the coolest vehicles from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where innovation meets the open road. This is Auto Buzz TV, signing off.